My name is Jason Yani. I'm 15 years old. I attend Child Bilingual Institute. I'm located at Ghana. The name of my project is The Worker's Assistant. My project helped the owner of the shop with his calculations and detection of people's faces in telling them to wear their nose masks and washing their hands before they get inside. The extensions I use are machine learning, text to speak, controls, and events. Now I want to demonstrate my project.
Hello, my name is RoboHelp and I am your assistant. Let's get shopping. Hello, welcome to Jasper Mall. How may I help you? With this, I have to detect your face.
Yes.
Now, please, what do you want to buy? Please, it will all cost $480 for your nose mask. Class, wash your hands. Thank you for shopping at Jasper Mall.
Now I'm come to explain the codes. I use when green flag click to make it start and text to speak to make it talk. And I use machine learning to let it identify people's faces and tell them to wash their hands. Finally, my project can help people to beat the pandemic. Thank you.